Ooh. Okay, it's time for another unboxing video. Oh, I should probably show you guys the whole pack. There it is. Oh. That was very uneventful. Just a bunch of these little small ones. And then a couple days ago, I got this big guy, which showed up my door looking like a whole snack. I just wanted to say whole snack, so I was like, in and like cool, you know what I mean? Like, let's not waste any time here. Let me zoom back in just so we can get like a little bit of a whole snack. Now, much like every unboxing video I have shot, not all the items came, but majority of them came. And the ones that aren't here will be on my Instagram at Danocracy, so you guys can go over there, check it out. Also, if you guys haven't seen my last video, I basically flew to Milan, Italy to surprise my girlfriend on her 25th birthday, so check that out. What should we start with? We're gonna start with this guy right here. Oh, damn, that sounds like a whole snack. Is it gonna be? This one popped up. So this is basically like a tattoo that lasts a little bit longer than a temporary tattoo. All right, let's go ahead and give this a shot. We get the free ink bottle. So they actually have ones that are pre-made, like actual temporary tattoos, but it says on the box, made with natural ingredients, not tested on animals, water resistant. It develops in 24 to 36 hours and it's long lasting. It says 8 to 18 days. Now this ink takes time for your skin to actually absorb it. Okay, so it comes with a pair of black gloves. This is the ink right here. Kind of has like a needle tip. Pull that off, you can kind of see right there. And that's just, I guess, help you get better detail. We're gonna go ahead and put it on my forearm right here. We're just gonna do a star. I mean, it's a little strippery. This is kind of like messed up right here. Let's go ahead and fill this in. Okay, so there we have it. Now, apparently you're supposed to leave this. It's gonna get hard and then kind of chip off. I did an episode of Dan for a week, which is actually right here. I did my entire back with this stuff. I know that I don't have any sort of allergic reactions to this, but just be careful. So you can kind of see that it's made like a skin on top. That's not the final product. I don't want you guys to think, oh, it looks so bad. That's actually gonna flake off. I'll show this at 24 hours tomorrow on my Instagram story so you guys can actually really see what it looks like, because this is about 35 minutes after. Next item, baby. All right, so this item, LED strips. Totally forgot we got this one. These guys are now advertising like crazy on Instagram. Oh wow, this came with like quite a few things in here. Oh my god, we got this beastly ass remote. The actual strip lighting in here. So I'm assuming this is not a long strip of light that came in here. Like you can see, it's not even that thick. This is probably the plug then. It's the plug. It's the plug, guys. I want to look at this controller really quick. Fun fact, the Danocracy D behind me, this is the controller for that. Not half as big as the LED strip light. It's almost like it's added all of the effects onto this controller. This should be pretty cool. Okay, so here's the strip light in this bag. So here it is, on a wheel. Oh, this is really thin. I did mention before, I've got the Philips Hue lighting, and that strip is much thicker than this. Now, what's great about this is on the back, there's actually adhesive tape that you could peel off, and then it'll stick. Well, that's frustrating. They don't actually give you a battery with the controller. That loses points with me. Now, if we look at the controller really quick, you got all the colors that it could do up here. There's actually quite a few animations you can do with this light. So let's go ahead and try this. Let's go ahead and install this somewhere then. I really just stuck it on my mirror, as you can see. So I'm gonna close the door and go in there to show you guys how bright this is. So right now we have it set to red. Oh, that's really red. Okay, so let's try blue. Oh, that's green. That's literally a quarter of the strip right there. Let's try blue. Fade. Oh, nice. What about fade 3? Fade. Jump 7. Oh, that's just like look at the color of the towel behind. Whoa! Yellow, red, green, blue. It's got a pretty good effect. The cool thing about that is that is only like a quarter of the actual strip. That's the lighting right there. That was pretty cool. Pretty cool strip. Next item. Oh, that just sounds friggin'. This one confuses the hell out of me. It says multi-saw. No idea what this is gonna be. Oh yeah, this is, I mean, this was the ear camera, but they were calling it a visual ear spoon. That sounds even worse. This was, and we're gonna do this today too, which freaking freaks me out. It's like that pen that goes inside your ear, which is a camera. This is gonna be interesting. Let's go ahead and do this. Go ahead and open this up. Really? It comes with a CD? So it's USB, but if you fold it down, it could also be used on your phone. It says you can use it on Android phone, but now the Android phones are different. They don't use this. We're gonna have to do USB. This might be for taking photos. You got, I think, a dimmer switch for the light. So we take off the cap. There's the camera lens. Okay, so we finally managed to get this little metal thing in. Let's go ahead and plug this into the computer and see what we can get. Okay, so I've managed to get this to work. It does not work on Macs. It has to be a PC. You do not need that software, which is great, because right when I plugged it in, it's actually recording right now. This is the end of here. See, I'm touching it with my finger right now. See? Hi! Oh my god, guys. Yeah, this is so freaking... Ew. I'm so scared. My ears are gonna be so freaking nasty. You're gonna be like, ew, Dan. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh my god, look at the little hairs. Yo, it is nasty in there. Oh my god. Oh, actually, I actually got some nasty ass shit on that one. Ew. Ew, look at the earwax on there. Can you guys see that? I wonder if I do my nose. Try my nose hole. Oh, gross. There's like hair and shit. Ew. Pretty, it's gross. This is only like $30. So this shot right here looks like a fly. Ready? Can I see my eyeball? Oh, this would be a cool way to get an eyeball shot. Is that a cool shot of my eye? I can't even see. Oh, look at my eyeball. You gotta go. Here's my eye. Yes, the intended purpose is to look in your ears because it has that light, but it's a very unique thing because it's a macro lens with sort of a ring light built in, so it allows you to get really close up to shots. Like, for instance, this quarter right here, probably the best purchase of this video, to be honest with you. This is really cool. All right, next item. This item right here may be the most requested item of this entire video. A yellow bag, it's so nice. Oh, that was... This is the next item here. This was the secret wood. Oh, it actually comes in a wood box. There's the logo. You open it up. No idea what this side is for right here. It's right here. Holy shit. Oh, what? This is so sick. This is incredible. I'm actually blown away by this. I got the Aurora Northern Lights one. We're gonna switch lenses to this. At least you guys know how big it is. That is so nice. This is really hard to capture. Oh, there we go. You guys can see like the green in there. Looks like snow-covered mountains in there. I'm gonna try to post a photo of this on my Instagram so you guys can kind of see this better. Next item. Oh, this is the crystal. Guys, I don't smoke. I don't need this pipe. I know a lot of you guys were like,
bro, give me the pipe. It'll go to good use.
And I actually thought about doing that. Wrap the hell out of this thing. Just got so friggin' small. Oh, and there it is. Wow, this is much smaller than I thought it was gonna be. This was the crystal pipe that we got. We got it in tiger eyes. Greasy as hell. It's actually a really nice gemstone. So I might give this away to one of you guys if you're a subscriber or if you follow me on Instagram, because I know this is gonna get zero use with me. Oh my god, that's like a knife. Look at that. Right through a plastic sticker. That is very sharp. On this side, you have where you would put whatever you're smoking, and on this side, you would inhale it through this end. It is a beautiful gem. It looks really cool in the light. You don't necessarily have to use it to smoke. You can use it as a gem, but... And last but not least, we got this guy.
The whole snack.
So I got a call from my front desk saying, hey Dan, we got a package for you. It says pregnancy pillow on it. I'm not pregnant, and this was supposed to be a body pillow. You have to be super careful opening this up with a knife. It's like a super compressed pillow, so it's gonna like expand now. Oh my god, it like doubled in size. Looks like legs. Anyways, let's go ahead and put this to the test. I'm gonna try this on the couch. The body pillow. Oh shoot, I gotta watch my tattoo. Oh, no. Really not that comfortable. It's too flat. Oh, hold on. Oh. Yo, this is nice. Now I see why this is a pregnancy pillow. So like you don't roll on your stomach and like pop the baby. That was a joke, by the way. I know you can't pop a baby. Maybe you can, I don't know. Either way, I'm gonna learn from somebody in the comments, let's be real. Anyways, this is super comfortable. Maybe it's like this? No, this feels like I'm wearing like an oversized thong or something. Char, you're gonna love this, buddy. He likes it. It passed the Charlie test. Oh, my little baby. That's actually super comfortable. I don't know if I'd use that in my bread. I don't know if I'd use that in my bed just because the sheets would get kind of mangled. Or like chilling on the couch. Yeah, I would. Okay, so there you guys have it. Those were the unboxing items from the Buying Every Ad I See 2. I will be doing another one. You guys are happy to know I will be doing another one. Give this video a like if you enjoyed this video. Follow me on Instagram at DanOcracy. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel. I would have to say that my favorite product from this whole thing is probably this. It is so detailed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.